without even saying a goodbye. Like, without saying anything. I could not get myself for this. I'm still even.
I beg,
I'm
make na
standing here, I'm
pardon
still
me,
trying to
me
wrap
I
my
no start
head
dey laugh
around
because
the whole
this
situation.
situation
But
sef, if no be say na
this
kpai
was
matter,
not what
na
he
better
told
laugh. I
me.
go just sit down, carry
This was
popcorn,
not the promise that
dey laugh,
Odira made
dey
to me.
scream, dey shout.
Even till
Because
now.
why this person go just come outside now they talk say you don't know how to rank a head around what situation? My dear, I carry you and put yourself in that situation. Nobody forced you to marry somebody in secret. And after 3 months of marrying that person in secret, the person why you are coming here to you won't shed crocodile tears. Because you hear saying a content into the content of the way they don't you carry your head shook inside. You know even reach 3 months. No reach 3 months of that secret marriage, the person why. How you want to explain to people say you married this person? How you want to talk am? Eh? My sister, how you want to talk am? Now you don't know how you take around your head around it. Don't worry, I go help you. Don't say goodbye. Now speech will can't tell you goodbye. The relationship will come carry ogene, can't tell you goodbye. Desperation. Desperation they bypass anything. Don't be desperate for anything in this life. Don't be desperate. Life na jeje. Follow us small small. You know go pass you. The marriage now you don't enjoy and the man self you don't enjoy it. Now who you dey explain give? I better come out from my face and then come out. Who you dey explain give? Make get that. Nonsense.